everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today on Carla Christina Beauty we're going to be doing another look with the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette. As you might have known or seen, I did a review on the Blood Sugar Palette. If you haven't seen it, I will definitely provide a link in the description bar and also in the video so you can go see it. But basically I'm going to be doing a week of tutorials, and today is day one. We are kicking off the new year with Blood Sugar-rama. Woo! That's right. We are going to make the new year the best year possible. 2019 is going to kick ass, and we're setting it off with Jeffree Star's best-selling palette. So as some of you may know, there has been a lot of controversy around Jeffree Star, and with that said, a lot of his products have also created a lot of buzz. They all have very interesting names, and they have like androgyny, there's the thirsty palette, there's the alien palette. He has about 5 palettes out right now, but this one has been the one that has sold out everywhere. And so I'm so excited to be doing a whole week of tutorials. So without further ado, let's get started on this. My eyeshadow base in white from NYX. This is great because I really want the colors to really stand out and to be true to the palette, even though this palette is extremely pigmented, and I really like the fact that it's very smooth and buttery texture when you put it on. So we're gonna start priming our lids. And now that we have our lid primed, we're just going to do the other side. So do you guys have any New Year's resolutions? What were your New Year's resolutions for this year? I think it's kind of ironic that I'm using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette for New Year's, considering a lot of resolutions have to do with dieting, and it is called blood sugar. So hooray to beating diabetes, everybody, by going to the gym the start of this year. That is diabetes type 2, not type 1, because you can't really help having type 1. But I'm just going to add some extra here. I just really want this to be as white as possible. And just blend this out like so. I'm really excited to see what Jeffree Star's new palette will be. He always goes above and beyond with his themes and really keeps it fresh. So I really like that. I really like the fact that he is not a predictable character. It really just makes it a lot more fun, the reveals especially, because you never know what he's going to give you, and that's what's great about it. Each one of his palettes is so different from the other, so I've really enjoyed seeing his evolution throughout this whole journey of YouTube and so on and so forth. So now that I have my lids primed, we're going to go in, and I'm going to go in first with this shade here called Candy Floss. It's kind of like a pink pearlescent shade, and I'm just really loving this color. I just think it's beautiful, so I'm just going to go in. Ooh, that is pink. That is pink. And I'm going to prime my entire lid with it. So my New Year's resolution is to go to the gym more often. And also, I would like to start actively participating in an outreach for the homeless community here in California. I think it's very important to give back to your community. And so I don't just want to be involved in the YouTube community, but I also want to be involved in the community that I live in. So yeah, that's my New Year's resolution for this year, is to give back to the homeless, and I would love for them to, you know, for the city to really find a solution to help people that need the help, because I don't think anybody should be homeless. I just don't believe in that. So, okay, now we've used the pink, and I'm gonna go in with another color. And let's see, I want to go in with something that's a little bit subtle, a little bit like a neutral, and like kind of a neutral tone, but I don't want it to be like too overpowering, because I want the overpowering shade to be my last shade. So I'm gonna go in with, there's so many beautiful ones to choose from. I'm gonna go in with this golden one, actually, called Donor. So it's the last one here. Boop. And use Donor. And just sweep it all over the eyelid. Well, not all over the eyelid, but in the middle, in the mid crease of the lid. And I'm just gonna work it. Work it. I need a glass of water. It's so good to know ya. That Missy Elliott album, by the way, never gets old. I don't care how old it is, it's still good. Oldie but a goodie. And I love these two colors together, I have to say. Nailed it, Jeffree. Nailed it. Love these colors together. Gonna do the other side. There we go. Okay, guys, so it's a work in progress. It is a work in progress. So next we are going to go in with, I want to say, like, there is this like reddish, it's called Blood Donor right here, and you see that? It looks scrumdiddlyumptious, okay? I'm getting a cavity from how much I want to use this all over my face, and I'm going to place it strategically right here. After that, I'm going to use my Morphe boop, 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 N40 brush. What? Yes. And I'm gonna blend it out. And I just want it to be a little bit stronger, so I'm just gonna keep adding a little bit more until I'm satisfied, okay? Like, Carly, really? Like, do you really need more red? Yes. I don't know if any of you have seen Jeffree Star's Pink Ferrari, but I am obsessed. It is dope AF. And I just love the fact that it's pink, quite honestly, because it's just so cute. It's just like, it's like if Barbie was like a mobster. I love it. If Barbie took out bad guys for a living. Like if Barbie had like a pink AK-47 to go with her pink Ferrari. And she wore like a pink Kill Bill suit. I love it. I love it. Okay, so yeah, I'm loving this color combination. It's different, and we will be back with the next eye already done, so we can do our cut crease and finish up this look. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so now that we have our eyeshadow done, we're gonna do our cut crease, because you know, what's a good dramatic eye without a cut crease, right? Let's do this. So I'm going to use, of course, my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to do my cut crease, because it's inexpensive and it works amazing. That's why. And we're just gonna do the cut crease. Some people like to put the cut crease here and then they blink and it like gets onto the lid automatically, kind of like this. You see how my, all of a sudden, and that's exactly where your cut crease should end. That's a good way of doing your cut crease. How far you go with your cut crease is really up to you. Some people like to go all the way with their cut crease. I'm gonna go all the way with it because why the heck not? Why the heck not, you guys? It's like go big or go home. This is a Jeffree Star review, so. Excuse me, Jeffree Star video. There we go. We're gonna go full cut crease. Oh, full cut crease. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Bow, bow, bow. Cherry soda. I'm gonna add cherry soda onto the mix. actually a white line going through the cut crease. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my black Sephora liner, and when we put our lashes on, I promise you I'm not gonna look like an extraterrestrial. It'll all come together. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. So this is the finished look. On my lips I used Cosmo from MAC, and I also finished off with NYX's Liquid Suede and Vintage. So definitely I will post all of the products that I use in the description bar down below. I also use Cherry Soda from the Blood Sugar Palette collection on the bottom of my eyes. And yeah, so I know this is a very dramatic look, but if we're starting off 2019, we might as well do it being bold and proud of who we are. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, definitely feel free to comment, like, and of course, if you want to see more videos like these, to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, woo, wherever it is, because I always point at the wrong direction anyway. And again, guys, love you so much. Definitely let me know how your 2019 is going. And as always, it's going to be easy to stay beautiful because you are beautiful. Thank you so much. Mwah! Love you guys. Bye.